Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 4th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather changing with rain and thunderstorms returning late today and tonight. Ahead, the warmest weekend so far this year and more storms to deal with probably Sunday night and Monday. Let's talk about things. Here's the upper look this morning. I have a shortwave trough coming into the southern plain states. That is progressive. That brings that chance of rain in here tonight. We are starting off this day with 40s and 50s. 41 for Gadsden and Fort Payne. Cullman 55. Numbers all over the board, but we go up in the 70s today with clouds increasing. Pretty quiet this morning. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Later today and tonight, severe storms a possibility. The better chance west of Alabama. We've got the standard slight risk over much of Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. In Alabama, there's a marginal risk west of a line from near Tuscumbia to Birmingham, Montgomery, Troy, and Enterprise. And there could be a few storms this evening with gusty winds, maybe some small hail. The overall threat is low. And then tomorrow, we have a marginal risk of severe storms for the southern quarter of the state, basically south of US 84. And that would include Mobile, Dothan, Andalusia. And again, not a major threat. The northern half of the state should be in drier air tomorrow. And then also tomorrow we have a risk of severe storms west of the state for parts of Texas. And on day 3, which is Saturday, there's a large severe weather risk west of Alabama. This includes Dallas-Fort Worth, Little Rock, Shreveport, Houston, Corpus Christi. And no risk at this point defined beyond that. This is the rain for the next 7 days. The southern states fairly wet. In Alabama, rain amounts around 2 inches for most places. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06E run at 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can see that shortwave trough coming out through Oklahoma and Arkansas. Showers and storms break out west of the state during the day today, and they will be moving in here at some point late this afternoon, probably after 3 or 4 o'clock, and the rain should be fairly extensive tonight. This is just after midnight. And again, there could be some strong storms this evening. Rain amounts, I'd say, about 1/2 inch tonight. And then tomorrow, the rain will likely end pretty early in the day. Maybe 6, 7 o'clock, something like that. The sky becomes partly sunny by afternoon, and the high will likely be up in the middle 70s. So a decent chunk of the day for the northern half of the state tomorrow should be dry. Now, let's talk about the weekend. No doubt it's going to be the warmest weekend so far this year. We're looking at low 80s. On Saturday and Sunday. And really, Saturday, yes, there could be a few widely scattered showers or storms, but much of the day should be dry with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And really, the same thing on Sunday. Low 80s, a mix of sun and clouds. There could be a shower or storm, but they'll be pretty scattered. So the weekend warm and mostly dry, but just keep in mind a few scattered storms could pop up both days. The most widespread rain will likely come Sunday night and Monday. This is Monday of next week. Highs in the 70s, and the air will be fairly unstable. That's the instability on Monday. So we'll be watching for maybe potential for strong storms. And then Tuesday, we get into a dry slot with an upper trough coming in, though, that might squeeze out a few showers. But again, I think a decent chunk of the day would be dry. The high would be in the 70s. This is Wednesday of next week. We're dry, but look at the deep surface low developing over Kansas. That's very deep, but there's no moisture to work with. So accordingly, you don't see any storms there. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday the 11th. Troughing passing north of the state, that deep surface low near Chicago. Big snows if this develops like that for parts of Iowa, Wisconsin, upper Michigan. But again, there's just hardly any moisture down here. So that looks fairly dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 13th. Very deep trough in the western states, and that might be a severe weather look for parts of East Oklahoma and Texas in advance of that dry line. But that's 10 days out. This will probably change. Here are the numbers. Look at those 80s over the weekend. Summer fans will love that. Then after that, for next week, highs mostly in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.